Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I got a pretty quick one for you today, I think. I am back out in my garage. Sorry, I know I've been doing a lot in my garage. It's just how it is. You might have saw one of mine I've done recently on the green hinges. If you haven't checked that out, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can check that out sometime if you want on my overhead garage door. But this time I got to do something to my other garage door that's just the man door or woman door, but it's just a single use door. I'll show you what I got. Here's the door that I have in question. Now this door used to be on our dining room, and we put a new door in there some time back, and I took the door that was in the dining room and put out here in my garage because the other door that was here was an old wood door, and it actually swung this way into the stairs going down to the basement, which is really weird. It should have swung into the wall the whole time. This one was the right swing, and I needed a different garage door out here anyway, so I put that one out here. I did cut the threshold off of this one so I could roll things in and out easy on the concrete. The other one didn't have a threshold, and so this one I would have had to cut the header a little more. But anyway, here's what I got. See down here at the bottom, you can see daylight through there. Now this week has been really cold here where I'm at. In fact, we had record cold temperatures overnight, -10 degrees, and the daytime highs have been in the single digits. But today, it's almost 30 degrees out here, so I decided to wait until the cold is over to change this weather stripping. You would think I would have done it before the cold, but I couldn't, so I'm going to do it now. It's supposed to be in the 60s next week here, so what are you going to do? So what happened was, when this door was on the dining room, we had a dog here. Oh, there's our dog. Hey, Sonny. You going to help today? No? You just like playing in the snow, don't you? All right. So the dog that was here wanted in really bad, and it wasn't this dog. All right, back up. I got to show them this. So you can see the weather stripping is all scratched up. They just tore it up with their toenails. Up here it's okay. This is the original weather stripping that's integrated into the jam. There are different weather strippings you can get for this. You can get what they call the bulb style. I'll show a picture of it here, that you screw on to the jam here and push it up against the door. But the problem with that is, that I've seen, is it sticks out a little bit, not much. And up here, it's okay. But down at the bottom, if you roll things in and out, it'll catch on that. And you'll always see the bottom of those that are screwed on here. You'll see the bottom of them bent out and all mangled. So I wanted to stick with the one I got here. They call this, what I've seen, I'm not an expert on this, but what I've seen, they call this a Kerf weather strip. It goes in the kerf of the jam. So I'm going to replace some of this, and if you've ever wondered how to do this, I'm going to show you how. Now, if things go right, you should only need a pair of pliers for this, maybe a screwdriver or something, or a putty knife to push the new one in. I'm going to start up at the top. Maybe I can get it with my fingers. Who needs pliers? I'll just do it with my fingers. Just pull it out. And there we go, the whole thing. Now here's my new weather stripping here. It's enough to go all the way around the door. It comes in different colors. This one's brown because the one I had was brown, so I'm just going to reuse the brown. You can get white and tan, I think. If you're interested in any of this, I will leave my Amazon affiliate link in the description below if you want to order it, or you can just go to the hardware store and you can buy this stuff there. They should have it. If they don't, you need to find a different hardware store. So I'm going to show you on this how to do it. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because it's all the same. And in fact, I may not even change the rest because it's in really good condition. It was just this piece that was jacked up. So obviously you just got to take it out and cut you a new piece. So you're probably going to want to get you a putty knife or something. Screwdriver would work. Cut your length. Put it in here. And on this edge here, see how it's got these little ribs here? That goes in your kerf and holds it in. So you're just going to want to push those into the slot, just like that, and work your way down the door. Once you get it started, you should be able to push it in with your fingers. Just go all the way down the door. It just pushes right in pretty easily once you get it started. It's hard to get it started, but once you do, it pushes in pretty easily. And I cut way too much off, so I'll have to cut that off. I'm gonna get some scissors or snips and cut that off. All right, let's just take some snips, get down as low as I can, cut that right off there, and stick that last piece in. Let's see if that made a difference. Yeah, still got a little bit of light down there at the bottom, but I think that's gonna be, I need to get something. I just got too wide a gap between the jamb and the door, but it took care of the rest of it. We'll work with that. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. So really, that's it for this one. I just wanted to show you how to change that style of weather stripping in case you needed to. Very easy, inexpensive, and it'll save you on air coming in or losing cool air since it's supposed to be so warm next week. So anyway, I hope this helped you. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And I pray that God bless you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.